congratulations on making the finals. First question is kay Coach John. Coach, ng Game 7 ng kabilang series, sa PLDT office kayo, yung scene parang nasa situation room kayo. What was like watching that game and observing yung potential opponent nyo, and siguro nag-up kayo ng early preparation for the finals?
Yeah, gusto nung namin, we wanted to make sure that after our pre-finals dinner, alam na namin kung sino yung kalaban. That's why we wanted to come and watch the game together, start already our discussions with the players and the coaching staff. We didn't want that night to end or na maghiwa-hiwalay kami, hindi namin alam sino kalaban namin. So ginawa na namin 2 birds with 1 stone. We had the dinner with the bosses, at the same time made it a preparatory occasion as well. So yun, it was very serious. Everyone was watching during the game, but of course sa mga itong player na to sa likod dito, wala namang seryoso dun sa mga there's a lot of joking and kidding around, but in the end everybody knew at the end of the night who we were going to play.
Coach, another one, yung panalo nyo against San Miguel, that was your first win, I believe. That game could have pwedeng di kayo umabot dito, or pwedeng kayo umabot, or whatever. How crucial was that, turning things around and reaching this stage?
We actually talked about it among ourselves, the coaching staff, after that game when we won. That was our first win in 4 games, and we thought that it was a crucial win for us because if we had dropped it, magiging 0-4, napakahirap na. So to your right, for us it was a turning point, and hopefully we can continue to find ways to compete against San Miguel. But we all know, like Coach Leo said, and most of the players said, in the finals it's a different game. What happened in the elimination round, no longer matters much kasi ibang laban na ito.